We're going live now, and we are having a wonderful guest, as I said earlier. She's a singer, she's a music coach, she's a founder of a music academy which is called High Music Academy. She is Swapnali. Swapnali will be joining me live now. I'm adding her, and she's going to talk about how music heals. That's what she believes. Let's talk to her and know more about it. She's connecting me now. Hi, Swapnali.
Hi,
Hi. How are you?
I'm
I'm
absolutely fine.
absolutely fine. Yeah. Be online 1 minute. We'll
Correct.
get it. So, so it's nice to talk a long time and how are things
Things are,
and
actually, yeah, tell me.
yeah, how are things, like how are you doing, managing this thing of pandemic, and how are you keeping yourself positive? Yeah.
Okay. The first thing is I'm choosing to be positive. Okay. So,
Okay.
so it's
Okay.
like, it's like saying no to all negative energy. So I don't want to, I'm not watching news too much. Okay.
Uh-huh.
I'm not
Mm-hmm.
participating in all kinds of debates and arguments about what government should do, what others should do, what he or she or X person should do. I don't want to
Okay.
focus any of my energy towards what other people are doing, but I am
Uh,
keeping my more focus on what I should be doing, for energy, how I can keep myself sorted. And music
okay.
is the best way.
Mm.
Music is the best gift that God has given me, and thankfully, my husband also, who is a musician. So I think that's what keeping us sane. And you know what? I also feel that I am also getting inspired by so many other people who are doing good. So I'm watching all positive stories. Like even from our
Mm-hmm.
industry, I can tell you
Mm-hmm.
some three of
Mm-hmm.
my closest friends who are doing so
Mm-hmm.
good, in the sense, one of my very dear
Mm-hmm.
friends is
Mm-hmm.
Chef Vikas
Mm-hmm.
Khanna. Now he's
Okay.
sitting in New York. He's sitting in New York,
Okay.
and he is, supplying food to the entire India, various places, through an
Awesome.
NGO. Then
Okay. Okay.
Salim Suleiman, yeah, Salim Suleiman, I've worked very closely with them.
Mm.
They are, providing ration to some 4 villages in Rajasthan and maybe some more. Then,
Oh wow.
then Sonu,
Okay.
then like so a person like Sonu Sood, imagine he's so
Hmm.
inspiring. What
Correct.
all he's
Correct.
doing.
Correct.
So,
Absolutely.
so just so the focus has to be more on there's
Mm-hmm.
goodness in this world. There is niceness in this world. Why don't
Mm.
we become like that? Why don't we remain like that? You know, I think
So
that is
nicely
important.
said. So nicely said. And the way you spoke is really, really nice. That you were talking about remove the negative energy, stop seeing this
Yes,
negative things,
yes,
and do
yes.
what you can. That's what you're saying, right?
Yes. Yeah, it's like, आपके पास knowledge है, share knowledge. If you have
Hmm.
surplus money, give little money. If you want to give
Hmm.
some time to someone, it's like
Hmm. Hmm.
आपके दोस्तों को आपको time देना चाहिए. Listen to them, listen to their problems. If you can,
Hmm.
help in any way,
Hmm.
donating, it's not like if you can give money is a right now. I understand that that's a bigger help that is required. But if you
Yeah.
really want to give, no, you can give everything that you have. So
Okay.
my biggest learning is there is joy in giving. I was,
Oh wow.
so much work that we were doing before corona was mainly about, excelling in your craft or your business and all that stuff. But I think this
Mm-hmm.
time has really taught me on a very deeper
Mm-hmm.
level has come to share and to give and be of help. Because, Jyoti, uh,
Mm-hmm.
it's very important that everyone remains happy, not just few people,
Absolutely.
isn't it?
Absolutely. I agree with you. Agree with you.
Everyone needs to have some kind of calmness, happiness,
Mm-hmm.
peace. Then
Mm-hmm.
only as a humanity we all will, prosper. Just a
Prosper.
few people being happy, and the rest of the world suffering is not a good
It's
scenario
not
to be in,
at all,
right?
at all, at all. Very true.
So, so what I do is I am a music student. So, it's like for me,
Okay.
music education is everyday learning and doing my riyaz
Mm-hmm.
and then
Mm-hmm.
imparting that knowledge further. So
Wow.
that's way it's giving us some happiness. In the sense, before this quarantine started, we
Seriously.
were we were
Serious.
doing these workshops, of heal
Mm-hmm.
with
Mm-hmm.
music. Now these were
Mm-hmm.
physical workshops, like you train
Okay.
people about how to listen to music, how music impacts your
Okay.
mind, how
Mm-hmm.
effectively you can use it to improve your.
There's a cut. I don't know what happened. I think she'll reconnect. The very good comments coming in for Swapnali. Swapnali more talk rock. Swapnali, can you reconnect? Reconnect. You have to reconnect me. Yeah, she got disconnected. So Swapnali was talking about how to be positive. She'll be joining us live again. So I'll be on live and reconnect her. Yeah. So be happy, how to be share, how to share
Yeah,
your things. Yeah, yeah, Swapnali.
okay,
There's
sure.
you saw
Yeah.
talking superb, and as soon as you were talking, there were many comments. I'd like to read it because it's really nice to see that. Swapnali, ma'am, you were opening your opening nice motivational talk, superb, rocking. Thank you. There's so nice. So yeah, so you were saying that you will continue with what you were saying. You were saying that how you should do what you can do. So you were also talking
Yeah,
about the workshop you're conducting. So tell me something
yeah.
about the workshop. You were saying that to
Okay.
me also before that this
Huh.
workshop is like it gives you peace. I mean, how music heals and it how it gives us
Yeah,
peace.
yeah,
Give a light
yeah.
on it, Ray.
Yeah, I will tell you. Just say what
Mm.
happens is we all listen to music, right? The
Correct.
first thing that we go to is music when you want to unwind and you want to
Mm.
relax. Okay?
Correct.
But exactly what happens, when you listen to music? What are those seven
Mm-hmm.
notes like sa
Mm.
re ga ma pa dha ni sa re ga pa Ma ga re sa. So all songs in this world are coming from these
Mm.
seven major notes, right? To understand certain basic concepts of music, you can
Mm.
really remain joyful and happy. That's what I teach through these healing workshops. So it's all
Oh.
about music and dance. So when we say music, it's instrumental playing, or it is
Mm-hmm.
dancing, or it is vocal
Mm-hmm.
singing, everything. Everything
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
includes, is included into music.
So it's
So
a music
these workshops
combination
we
with dance.
started,
Is that so?
yeah,
Sorry to break
yeah.
you. Is it music with dance, isn't it?
Yes, yes. Because dance is part of music only. You don't separate it from music. Dance is also music.
So yeah. So when you're teaching, you're a music coach. You're teaching. You're having your own
Correct,
academy called as
correct,
Thai Music Academy. Now, what do you teach? What kind of
correct,
songs are you teaching
correct.
from the beginning, Saregama, to a
Okay.
professional singer, or you singing?
No,
You're
no, no,
teaching
no, no.
light music. What? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No, 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 no. There are two different things. This academy is for technical education. Okay. So my
Okay.
husband is a jazz musician and a music
Okay.
producer from Australia. Okay. So
Okay.
what he does is he has learned the sound engineering and recording and mixing part of music.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
in this academy, we teach the technical music education, and
Mm-hmm.
him being one
Mm-hmm.
of the like most respected guitarist of this country. Like he has been endorsed by Gibson with a custom
Mm-hmm.
tailor-made guitar. So he's a very, very
Mm-hmm.
good jazz musician. So he has his
Mm-hmm.
specialized guitar program right from your beginning to advanced level of guitaring. One can learn that. So we
Oh,
teach
wow. Okay.
specific programs on guitar and singing. I only teach women, between 25 to around 50, that too,
Hmm.
how to be happy with music. It's not so much about technical singing education, because for that I
Oh,
really
okay.
need to give years gets compromised. Suddenly I can't be. So what I do is
Oh.
I do
Mm-hmm.
specialized program only for
Mm-hmm.
women, who want
Mm-hmm.
to just fulfill their passion of singing. So I train them
So, oh, like
so that
me,
they can be
I
happy.
don't have a knowledge of singing, so I can't sing. So you can teach for people like
Correct.
me, right? So I can learn
Yes.
one particular
Yes.
song
Yes.
for if I have a function at my house or a puja at
Yes.
my house. I can learn a song from
Correct.
that I
Correct.
came to know
See, the
about this.
idea,
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
yeah. So the idea
Yeah.
is that you don't have a stage fright. You go,
Okay.
you perform in front of your family, your social gathering, your
Uh,
office colleagues, or just for your
uh-huh.
own happiness. I really want to do that for all the women, homemakers or working professionals who really have
Okay.
left that passion of music, and they just
Uh-huh.
want to again start singing. I feel
Okay.
that I really want to do that for all these women. My mission is 10,000 women in this India, in this country.
Wow, wow,
I'm on that mission.
excellent, excellent, excellent. You're on a mission to teach 10,000 women. Like, there are
Yeah.
some questions. I'll take some questions
Yes.
if you don't mind. Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah,
Absolutely.
there is Anju Mehta singing program online. Are you doing any online singing programs? I mean, are you doing any
Yes.
online? That's what
Yes.
she's asking.
So, yeah, so currently I am doing online classes, but I'm going to convert
Mm-hmm.
that, because in the class I can only, teach five students. I don't teach
Mm-hmm.
attention. So what I'm
Correct,
going to
correct.
do is I'm right now recording the entire program. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So one can
Mm-hmm.
watch all my videos and then follow that
Mm-hmm.
program. So I can reach to the
Mm-hmm.
entire online world, not just five people,
Mm-hmm.
at a time. And they get the entire education online. So I'm doing a program on.
Oh, very nice. Nice, nice. So we'll take some more questions. If you want to ask questions, please
Yeah.
do ask. There are many people who have joined and read out their names. Mahalakshmi, Dharma, Shan, Sai
Yes.
Tej,
Yes.
Lakshmi,
We should sing, right? We
Raghunath.
should do some singing.
Do something for them. If you want to ask any request, also she's going for us. So
Yeah,
I'm going to ask
absolutely.
the questions meanwhile. Now, you tell me something, Swapnali. You were in the peak of the
Yeah.
career, isn't it? You were very
Yes.
high in the
Yes.
peak of the career in Big FM. Why did you leave
Yes.
suddenly and, completely transformed? Yeah, I do understand
Um,
you were doing maximum music content even in radio, everything, and you just, yeah, we lost her again. We'll get her back. There's a network issue with her, so we'll get her back now again. So she'll join us. So we lost her. So she was talking. So we'll make her as her to sing also. We lost her. So we got disconnected from her. So yeah, we'll connect once again. 2 minutes. We'll connecting her. I've already connected her. So she was saying that she's not academy for teaching complete thing. She's teaching for people who want to just learn a song for a show or anything like that. So Swapnali, please accept my request. Join in the live. It's got disconnected. So she was telling us how she's teaching songs to women, and her ambition is to teach at least 10,000 women across the world. Any Hindi music or anything like that. Yeah, there are many, many people who are, saying Rajesh, Swapna Ali, not Swapna. So you should call her, you should tell her
Okay,
Swapna Ali.
again
Yeah,
and again it's good.
yeah, I think there's a network issue, darling. If
Yes,
sometimes it
yes,
happens, so no problem. So
yeah.
there is an Swapnali. You are doing well. Keep it up. That's from Rajesh.
Okay, how nice.
So
Thank
so
you.
yeah. So you were
Yeah.
saying that
Hmm.
about music and how you left your
And
career
the
and
media life.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Uh, I will tell you, I realized this one particular factor very late in my life. I'll tell you. I was thankfully working for all musical shows, right? Work on Saregama, Antakshari, then Indian Idol for Sony TV. Then
Yeah.
then the next one was Star Plus, where I was working on IFA and Nach Balliye, Jo Jita Wahi Superstar, all music driven shows where I got to
Okay.
work with the bestest technicians, bestest singers from the industry,
Okay.
musicians. I
Okay.
learned so much from them, and
Okay.
I could utilize that same knowledge in my even radio world also. you know but somewhere,
Hmm.
you know you
Hmm.
I utilize that information and
Mm-hmm.
that knowledge in
Mm-hmm.
my workplace also, and I was very
Mm-hmm.
happy and fortunate, to have worked on some of the greatest shows, whether it is
Mm-hmm.
Suhana Safar with Anu Kapoor or hashtag Salim with Salim
Correct.
Merchant.
Correct.
These were great
Correct.
shows, that we created for radio. But
I remember.
what
Yeah.
was happening
Huh.
was that I was not getting time for my music. I was
Okay.
I was making other people stars in
Uh-huh.
terms of grooming them, like whether singing
Okay.
participants of I was training everyone else, but I was not getting time for my own music, for my
Yeah.
not getting time to practice and release my songs. And somewhere that thing was there at back of my mind. uh,
Okay.
also also maybe also the comfort zone of a salary coming in every month, that
Hmm.
was it's like a different mindset. You are set in life, there is salary coming in, who wanting, but that happiness was in the real happiness, your real calling, that was missing. So
Okay.
thankfully my husband, he is 24/7 into music. Okay.
Music. Yeah.
I'm married also to a musician. So he was
So,
continuously in music. So he really
okay.
pushed me. He saw that thing in me that, no, yeah, you really want to do music, but you're stuck in this. But I was happy. I will not deny that I was not happy in my corporate world, but my
Mm-hmm.
music was, taken a back seat. That's why I felt that no, to really really s- uh, give my time, rest of the life maybe, to something which I genuinely love, something which comes
Love.
very naturally to me. you know
Yeah.
People who know me, they know that I can sing at any time and happily, and first for my own happiness and then for others. So it's
Oh,
very
very nice.
important to understand. So I got to know my real calling little late in life. So that, no, you should always listen to your heart. You should always follow your dreams. I always want to say that to people,
Absolutely. I,
that don't apni.
yeah. Tell me.
I can't hear you. I
You
can't
can't
hear
hear
you.
me?
Yeah,
You
so
can't
I'm
hear
saying
me?
कि
Yeah.
अपने एक ही जिंदगी है. हाँ, I'm saying एक ही जिंदगी है, तो अपने सपनों को मत
Uh-huh.
मारो, right? Up,
Wow.
go for
Very nice.
it, go for it. And it's not about how many likes or how many followers or how many fans you have. You can buy
Mm-hmm.
that
Mm-hmm.
also,
Mm-hmm.
but it is all about time, in
Mm-hmm.
excelling that craft and how you are getting
Mm-hmm.
joy out of it. If you like that
Mm-hmm.
process, then always go for, you know, there are 85% people, in this world, Jyoti, who are they're not doing the job what they love.
Okay.
So
Okay.
so what I
Okay.
so
Uh,
either be so so either be in those 15%
okay.
people and go for, you'll have to see. If you can't follow what you really want to do, then at least make
Mm-hmm.
yourself such a person that you can find happiness even in that and manage even in that, or be that 15%, be into that category, go for your dream and go for it, and stand by your decision, stand by your conviction. Doesn't matter, people may have disbelief in you, but you go for
Mm-hmm.
it,
Mm-hmm.
because
Mm-hmm.
this is because it is what that you want to do.
Absolutely, I agree with you. And Swapnali sings very well, very beautiful songs of 80s, 90s. It's like, you'll get mad out of it. So I'm going to request her to sing for us one song,
Yeah.
uh, first song, which is her favorite, and then we can
Okay.
take requests from you. Please ask request so that, we Hindi songs. So please ask for Hindi songs of the 80s and 90s. Especially, I'm telling you because
No, no,
that
it's
even
okay.
in 60s also, she sings very well. You can ask even
Yeah.
also, but
Okay.
I am requesting like that. So probably sing one of the favorite songs which you like the most.
Okay. Okay. I'll tell you. I am a diehard romantic. Okay. I am a R.D.
Mm.
Burman fan. It's all about love, that,
Mhm.
love and romance. I am completely on. So this one song,
Okay.
which I always tend to sing and keep singing for my husband, कि
Uh-huh.
तुम्हें कोई और देखे तो जलता है दिल,
Uh-huh.
बड़ी मुश्किलों से फिर संभलता है दिल, क्या क्या जतन करते हैं तुम्हें क्या पता, ये दिल बेकरार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना, हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना. I love this song, yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful, fantastic song. Amazing. My Nightingale. People are commenting like that. Anuj, something. Yeah. So people are commenting. Everybody is saying it's very fantastic. Claps. Oh wow. Okay. We'll ask her to sing some more songs. Please ask for songs. She will really sing for us. So I'm
Yeah.
going to continue asking questions meanwhile.
Yes.
And come to music. So tell me something. If somebody wants to take this as a career and make money also, tell me frankly, can people
Huh.
make money? That's the question.
Okay. I will answer it differently. Okay.
Mm,
First of all,
mm,
why just singing in any profession?
mm,
Okay. Okay.
mm, mm,
You must
mm,
ask that one question to yourself, that
mhm,
is it
mhm,
something that you really like to do, or you just want to earn
mhm.
money out of it? Okay. It's like,
Ah,
even if it is singing,
okay.
huh? Do you really
Okay.
want to get into singing? Can you
Mhm,
work towards, you know, sharpening that skill? Can you do your
mhm,
riyas? Can you have a discipline? Not, there is no short success. I'm sorry. I'm cut to success. You will have to
okay.
work towards it. Uh,
Okay.
it's follow the people who have, really excelled in that craft,
Mhm,
and you
mhm,
have to have single-minded focus. If you can do that, money will automatically follow. See,
Mm-hmm.
money will always come to the person who
Mm-hmm.
has, value, some quality
Mm-hmm.
in his service that he's offering to people, right? If you have quality,
Oh,
people
okay.
will come to you. Correct?
But there is
If
always
you
a
if you know
doubt,
your
no,
subject.
Swapnali, because no, Ray, there is always a doubt when it comes to singing, except the playback singers. Rest of the people,
Okay,
like,
I will tell.
somebody like, huh,
Okay. See, first is singing has got so many options. You can do your
hmm,
YouTube channel. You can do
hmm,
jingles, singles. You can do your own
hmm,
thing. It's not like in today's technological world. You just have to
hmm,
know your craft well, put a camera,
hmm,
record it
hmm,
well, produce it well, and
hmm,
put it in the public
hmm,
world. Isn't it? Why can't you reach
absolutely,
out to people who are searching for good talent? Also, nothing, no profession is coming with a guarantee of success. Do you think
okay,
that
okay.
all the successful people have not faced any failure in life? You really think so?
I
It's
got
like,
it. I
you want
absolutely
something,
agree with
any
you.
career with guarantee. It's not
I
a
agree
guarantee
with you.
card that is coming with, no?
Okay,
You have to
that's true.
work
That's
towards it. And then you al- also learn all the other aspects of the today's world, technology,
true.
social media.
Technology.
You will have to master those
Absolutely.
skills if you have to reach to the wider audience. Okay, I am a good singer, but I am not going to do any effort to reach out. Then how the world is going to come to know about you? I'm sorry, it doesn't work like that. It's like today, if I want to sing for Sanjay Leela Bhansali, then I have to really pick up the phone, call his office, send my audio. It's like I'll have to
Uh-huh.
do that. I can't have ego. Okay, no, no, he will know me, he will get to know about me. It doesn't work like that. Either, you
Absolutely,
know
absolutely.
it's like, go for the, if you really, I have really seen, I will give you one very good example of Neha Kakkar.
Mm-hmm.
She really worked for it. She has been
Mm-hmm.
rejected so many times, but she did not give up. She worked on her craft. She learned, like,
Okay.
see, you should be ready. You should be ready for the journey of approaching people with your work, and go for it again and again and again, and work on your craft. One day you will get it,
I
because
agree
you
with you
have that
completely.
undying faith in you. That undying faith is very important. It's okay. If some, for
Okay.
some people it takes time. It's okay. But if you enjoy what you're doing, even that journey
Mm-hmm.
also becomes joyful. It's okay. If
Joyful.
today I am not a very known
Mm-hmm.
singer, and everybody doesn't know me, doesn't matter.
Mm-hmm.
But I am enjoying this each and every day of mine, because I am into music. I'm enjoying music. I'm spreading that joy myself. It's fine. I will have my own
Okay.
journey. My time of limelight will come whenever it has to come. I have to still be happy every day, right? I have to do that. That's my job.
Absolutely.
Can't be
Absolutely.
thinking about when I will
Absolutely.
be popular.
Very true. So there are many questions coming in. Uh, sing Rena Beat Jaye Rishi Raj Sachdev.
Okay, okay. He's
Who
my
is this?
husband. He is.
Okay.
He's my husband.
Okay.
Rishi Raj sir.
So your husband is asking your favorite
He
song,
is.
Rena Beat Jaye. Sing for him, yeah. You can't
Yeah, yeah.
deny it now.
Okay. There is a story, because it was very
Uh-huh.
important for me to
Uh-huh.
know that whosoever I'm marrying has to love Gulzar and R.D. Burman.
Okay.
Otherwise, there was no scope of marriage. So, so, so when I met Rishi, he is a jazz musician. Okay. So I was
Uh-huh.
thinking that okay, ये तो अंग्रेज है, ये तो western music में है, इसको क्या पता होगा,
Uh-huh.
pata nahi. So I was like that. And then when I met him and as we started and discussing music, The one song
Mhm.
which he said that this is my all-time favorite song, and Bas Rehna Biti Jaye made our marriage
Mm.
possible. So
Oh, wow. Okay,
so that's
okay,
how
okay.
that's how it is, because that is his favorite song, and that's a R.D. Burman and Gulzar combination song. Sorry, it's a Anand
Yeah.
Bakshi song, but still, it is a Panchamda song, and he loved it. So that's it. Then
So you're going to sing for us
I
and for
said yes,
Rishi
because yes.
this
Okay,
song, Rehna Beet Jaye.
okay. रहना बीती जाए, शाम न आए, रहना बीती जाए, शाम न आए, निंदिया न आए, निंदिया न आए, रहना बीती जाए, शाम न आए, रहना बीती जाए. That's it.
Superb, superb, fantastic. I think Rishi would be very, very happy.
But why is
Who
he
is your
choosing all
favorite?
sad songs?
No, it's not a sad song. No, it's a wonderful song. It's a wonderful composition. No, it's a beautiful. And
Yeah,
you
yeah.
singing,
It
it's
is in it
like
internalizes.
honey
Yeah.
in the ears. No, it's like a honey in the ears,
Still,
like yeah. So
it's all your
there's
love,
another
by the way.
question.
Huh.
Yeah, he's commented, wow.
It's I think all you who and all the people who really send all the love and compliments, well wishes. अच्छा लगता है. You feel okay, fine. You're on the
Yeah,
right path.
that's true. That's true. This question asked like, who is your favorite singer? Singers, actually.
My favorite singer in okay, my favorite
Mm.
singer in this entire world, the one name which I think is the most perfect, the most divine, that is Lata Mangeshkar. Because she's an institution. She is
Okay.
pitch perfect. The
Mm-hmm.
expressions, the words, the feelings, the voice
Mm-hmm.
modulation, the
Mm-hmm.
impact that this lady and I feel every singer must listen. Somebody who wants to excel in singing, they
Mm-hmm.
have to listen to Lata Mangeshkar for all the technical knowledge, even her finesse of singing on mic. You will,
Mm-hmm.
you will not be able to hear when she breathes. She's so perfect technically also, that
Mm-hmm.
she's breathing and she's going high pitch, low pitch, just like butter, and
Oh,
and that
okay.
voice, that divinity, it's perfect. It's like इस दुनिया में कुछ perfect नहीं. Lata Mangeshkar is perfect, yeah. She is perfect. So she's that one singer. Really,
Present
I can't hear you.
singers also want to know. Present
Sorry,
singers? Yeah, can you hear me now?
I can't hear you.
You
Yes, yes, hear you properly.
No? How is that?
Yeah, tell me.
No, no. Now can you hear me
Wait,
now?
I
Yeah,
can
can you
hear
hear
you,
me
but
now?
cracking in between.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So, yeah, there's an internet connection problem. Yeah. Yeah, tell me something.
Okay.
You told about Lata Mangeshkar, you're a fan of
Huh.
Lata Mangeshkar and everything. Who are your present favorite singers?
No, Oh, present favorite singers. See, I
Mm.
listen to multiple genres and all kinds of singers. So even Jagjit
Okay.
Singh is somebody who I go to a resort, because his depth and his Urdu,
Mm-hmm.
the pronunciation, the
Mm-hmm.
overall impact of
Mm-hmm.
Jagjit Singh is very deep on my mind. I also like
Mm-hmm.
Sunidhi, Shreya Ghoshal. They are
Mm-hmm.
very technically solid singers, and they're very
Okay.
soulful singers as well. I
Absolutely.
prefer to hear, my choice of music has always been meaningful lyrics and soulful music. I
Mm-hmm.
generally, don't go so much into. I like religious music also, whether it's Marathi. There are so many Marathi
Mm-hmm.
artists, Marathi musicians, Hridaynath Mangeshkar.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
There is a very there's one of the, like, Devki Pandit. She is one of the finest singers. You know. So, these
Okay.
are the singers who I listen to because they are excellent in their craft. Even Nusrat Sahab,
Very nice.
somebody,
Now you
it's amazing.
spoke song, it's not good. So you're going to sing your favorite song.
Okay, okay, sure, sure, sure. This is a very beautiful song, very happy and chirpy and easy breezy. Okay.
Uh-huh.
चले ही जाना है नजर थामी थे साजन तुमने मेरी कलाई क्यों, हाँ, चले ही जाना है नजर चुरा के यूं, फिर थामी थी साजन तुमने मेरी कलाई क्यों, किसी को अपना बना के छोड़ दे, ऐसा कोई बाहों में चले आ, हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, ये आज का नहीं मिलन, ये संग है उम्र भर का.
Beautiful. And the way you're saying all that, it's really, really fantastic. I can visualize the song. That's the greatness of a singer. If you can, when a singer sings and if you can visualize it,
Yeah,
it's the ultimate. It's ultimate, and
that's
Swapnali, fantastic. When you're singing, I can really relate to the video of the song, and really, really
thank you.
beautiful. You know, who is your favorite composer? I mean, music director.
Okay, there are many. Uh,
Okay.
One being starting from Madan Mohan, okay, because I really
Mm-hmm.
like his haunting kind of melodies that he used to compose. Like all those songs, na lage ja gale ke phir हसी रात हो, the soothing and the melodious and free flowing compositions, क्या जानू सजन होती है क्या गम की शाम. So this is Pancham. So I like
Okay.
Madan Mohan, Pancham, even SD Burman, you know, शोखियों में घुला जाए फूलों का शबाब, like the his SD Burman compositions were शहद से घुली हुई मीठी,
Okay. Okay.
all those Abhiman numbers, or so many beautiful songs of SD Burman. uh, what is that, uh, suddenly एकदम से पूछ लिया तो कभी याद नहीं आता, but his
It's
songs are
okay.
something. So SD Burman, Madan
Mm-hmm.
Mohan, RD Burman,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
मराठी में हृदयनाथ मंगेशकर, श्रीनिवास खले. They are
Mm-hmm.
mind blowing composers. In recent times, I
Okay.
really like A.R. Rahman, Salim Suleiman,
Mm-hmm.
Vishal Shekhar, and even this one, Shankar Mahadevan. Shankar Ahsan Loy,
Thank
because
you.
they they do popular music, but still there is quality of goodness. There is a lot of musicality, and you love those compositions. So
Very nice, very nice.
it's
See, I'm a
beautiful.
South Indian, okay? So you have to tell me some
Huh.
of your favorite South Indian music directors or singers or any
Ilya
particular
Raja,
South Indian song.
Ilya Raja, Ilya Raja is outstanding. Like even A.R. Rahman is a
Okay.
South Indian only, and then so
Yeah, yeah,
like
yeah.
"ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले हमने भी तेरे हर एक गम को गले से लगाया है ना है जिंदगी गले लगा ले." So क्या compositions हैं इसके.
Fantastic,
They're amazing.
fantastic.
Singers like S.P. Balasubramaniam, singers like Chitra ji, they're outstanding. It's like they're
Outstanding.
legends,
Really, really,
right? They're
really.
my
I'm so
favorite too. They're
happy.
not just, hey, hello, they're not just South Indians, they're all Indians.
No, I just
They're
asked.
my favorite too. They're
So,
my
so
favorite
sweet.
too. सिर्फ तुम्हारे नहीं है
So
वो.
sweet of you. So
हाँ,
sweet of you. So, oh, very nice. So, A.R. Rahman. So, they want some song of A.R. Rahman
हाँ, हाँ.
and O.P. Nair. So, first, what
Yeah,
what song you will sing for O.P. Nair or A.R. Rahman song?
I think A.R. Rahman first.
Yeah, fantastic.
I will sing a happy Rahman
Please
song.
sing happy.
Okay.
You'll always like happy only, so sing happy only.
Okay. Hmm. खिलती रहे हया की डाली खिलती रहे न न न न न न गर्दन पे सुबह शाम मिलती रहे सौंधी सी हंसी तेरी खिलती रहे मिलती रहे साथिया साथिया मद 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 मेरी हंसी ये कोई बात है कोई साथी नहीं तेरा यहाँ तो ये कोई बात है किसी को प्यार दे दे किसी का प्यार दे ले इस सारे जमाने में यही प्यारी बात है तन्हा तन्हा यहाँ पे जीना ये कोई बात है. So Rahman, I can go on and on and on.
You
Even
can
his,
go on, go on, go on. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
Lagan songs and all anything, Madhuban mein jo kanhaiya, this is also beautiful. And Maja, na na na
Fantastic.
na, Ali ka is he just he understands the lyrics and he creates that musical world and you fall very deep 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 into it.
Deep, deep, deep.
What a composer. What a
Seriously,
composer.
seriously.
So so when it comes to OP Nayyar, I feel
Hmm.
all those Asha ji ke jo gaane the, one
Uh-huh.
is my favorite. I will sing that first and I'll sing another one. Okay. So
Yeah, yeah.
यही वो जगह है यही वो फिजाएं यहीं पर कभी आप हमसे मिले थे उन्हें हम भला किस तरह भूल जाए पर कभी आप हमसे मिले थे. फिर अ, ये वाला अ, अ, है इशारों ये देने वाले बताए हुनर तुझसे निगाहों निगाहों मेरी जान सीखा है तुमने. तो वो भी ना इतने नटखट चुलबुले से प्यारे से.
Oh, very nice. It's like it's you're filling the entire show with happiness, and your songs are beautiful, lovely voice. That's what Malini is saying. So, there are many people joining us. Thanks for joining and saying that, she sings super. Yeah. She, Rajesh is saying, please
Fine.
sing Dil Ye Chota Sa. Which song is that?
Okay.
Dil Ye Chota
Okay.
Sa. I think, yeah, that song.
Such a
Yeah.
nice, such a
Nice song.
nice,
Yeah.
hopeful song, no? हाँ.
Yeah, I know.
Hmm. दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की, भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा, दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की, भोली सी आशा.
Very nice.
Even I
Super.
like those
This is a bit.
non-filmy. I like those non-filmy songs also. You know those. Uh,
Oh.
I'll tell you.
Hmm.
जैसे चांदनी रातें सब जग सोए हम जागे तारों से करे बातें हो चांदनी रातें तकते तकते टूट जाए आस पिया ना आए रे तकते तकते अनोखे उठे जिया घबराए रे शाम सवेरे रातों ने मेरी नींद लूट ली रातों ने मेरी नींद लूट ली दिन के चैन चुराए दुखिया आंखें ढूंढ रही है कहीं प्यार की खातिर चांदनी रातें हो चांदनी रातें सब जग सोए हम जागे तारों से करे बातें हो चांदनी रातें. So I like these non-filmy songs also.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Anju Mehta, she's saying, though through her voice, one can see a great soul. Fantastic. That's what I feel. It's like we. So there are many
I
people
think you
joining in.
all are good. It's like, you all are good, so you are also saying good. It's all about, your energy, what you vibrate and what comes back to you. So my thing
No,
is,
that's
as much as possible, stay on a brighter side of life. Forget problem है तो approach ऐसे ही रखो कि हो जाएगा यार, हो जाएगा. ये भी निकल जाएगा
yeah.
time.
You
That's how I like to
started
say
off with that note only, and you're still continuing with that note only. It's fantastic. That was to express your voice. What other languages of songs you can sing? That's
Oh, I
asked.
sing Marathi. I can sing
Okay,
only in Hindi and Marathi. I am not a Western
Marathi.
singer. I can't sing to save my life, please. I can't sing in English. That's
So
something
you
I've
can
not
sing
tried, but I
Marathi.
sing in Marathi and Acha, yeah, I
Marathi
can sing
you can
Marathi.
sing. Yeah.
Okay. Marathi, that, uh, 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 sorry. Hello, I can. Hello.
You can hear
Yeah,
me
I can
now?
hear you.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, I can hear you. So, Marathi song?
Marathi
Okay.
song?
Okay. I don't know, but I think most of the people must have heard this one. Uh, आई बापाची लाडाची लेक मी मी डोलकर 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 दर्याचा राजा वल्लभ रे नकवा हो, वल्लभ रे वल्लभ वल्लभ रे राम. So that is something which must
This
have
is
keeping us
very
here,
popular,
I guess.
popular Marathi song.
और
Yes, it's very, very nice.
बोलो.
Fantastic, popular
Then there is
song.
another. हाँ.
Huh?
I think you're
You were
cracking in
saying,
between here. You,
you were saying something like, you were saying that
sorry.
there is another song. You were saying you're going to sing for us another song. What is that? In Marathi.
Yeah. Yeah. In
Hmm.
Marathi, it's मुशक्काल रात्र झाली. मुशक्काल होता होता काळ रात्र झाली. अरे पुन्हा आयुष्य शकाल होता होता काळ रात्र झाली. आ ला 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 ला. आम्ही चार किरणांची ही आस का धरावी. आम्ही चार किरणांची ही आस का धरावी. ला 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 ला. जे कधीच नव्हते त्याची वाट का पहावी. जे कधीच नव्हते त्याची वाट का पहावी. आम्ही ती स्मशाने ज्यांना हिनवाली. अरे पुन्हा आयुष्याच्या पेटवा मशाली. Popular Hridaynath Mangeshkar song. It's very beautiful, sung by Asha
Very,
ji.
very beautiful song. She sang for us very, very beautiful songs, and we had wonderful time together. If Hemant More is saying, very nice. Yeah, there are lots of
Awesome.
and lots of this thing. After the show, she
Hemant
will
sir,
really
Hemant
answer
sir,
to all the
you know,
questions.
Hemant sir is the one who taught me editing. I was in ZTV and we were working
Okay,
along with another Rajan sir. So these are the two
okay.
mentors. So nice of him to say that. These are the people who I've learned so much from, and we have still remained friends over the years. And thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So there are many, many, many people who are just complimenting for your voice and the kind of songs you're singing. So
One song, one song which I really want everyone to sing. This is a spirit. Ki, we should sing this song even as a family or as a group together. Is आती
okay.
रहेंगी बहारें, रहेंगी बहारें. दिल की नजर से दुनिया को देखो. दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है. हो आती रहेंगी बहारें, जाती रहेंगी बहारें. दिल की नजर से दुनिया को देखो. दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है. सो यस, दुनिया हंसी है, हमें देखना है उसको. We have to, you know, make ourselves like that to find beauty in every aspect of life. That's what we have to
Aspect
make
of
ourselves.
life. Very true,
Find,
very
be
true.
grateful, be
Fantastic.
grateful, be grateful for what we all have. Be thankful. I think happy
Absolutely.
people
Absolutely.
are successful people, are grateful people. Successful people are happy people. So, we all have to be happy. Then,
बाकी चीजें आती रहेंगे. She said it in a very simple way, but look the way the spirit she spoke. It's really difficult to be like her. I'm not like her, but yeah, I try to, implicate some things which I learned from her also because it's very spread positivity. The kind of I think that's because she's an artist. I think that's how it is. I think an artist will
no.
always be
And
happy and
also,
spread positivity.
also
Uh-huh.
one more thing is that it doesn't mean that uh, that everything is proper in my life. It's not like that, that there are no
Mm-hmm.
problems. But the
Mm-hmm.
approach towards life is, okay, let's sort it. Let's find solution. As an artist, our entire
Mm-hmm.
industry,
Mm-hmm.
is affected. We
Mm-hmm.
entertain people, but right now, our concerts are not happening, our events are not happening,
Happening.
our technicians, our event of musicians, their work is
Mm-hmm.
affected. But
Mm-hmm.
what can we do in this now? That we have to remain, see the brighter side. Maybe people are now uh, teaching online, finding out different ways to start their work again. So that's what it is, that we'll have to always find a way rather than
Mm-hmm.
focusing on a problem. If we'll have
Very
to
true.
make
Very true.
ourselves in such a way that we think solution driven. Okay, अब ऐसी
Very true.
situation है तो क्या करना है? Like we were doing a physical academy, now we have converted our entire academy online. That's how we are going to teach now. Maybe it's better because now we
Mm-hmm.
can reach, wider audience, not just in India, even
Mm-hmm.
abroad.
Very
I,
true.
I,
Very
I
true.
I will be teaching singing. My husband is teaching guitar and music production. So,
Mm-hmm.
we are reaching to more people now. So, but if you think solution driven, then only you can come to solution. If you are only going to focus on अब मैं क्या करूँ and problem, तो solution नहीं निकलेगा.
Very true. Very true. So
So,
there's somebody saying hi
so
Swapnali. Hi Swapnali. Ghazal
that,
singer Riaz Khan. How are you?
oh, yeah, oh, how nice. He is, very, very fine ghazal vocalist. And he's from Mumbai. We have got the opportunity to really host and record so many great musicians in our world class studio. I must say that, people
Okay.
like Riaz Khan, then, great
Mm-hmm.
bands like Parvaz, Indian Ocean musicians like Rahul Ram, and, the late Sonam Sherpa, then
Okay.
bands like Parvaz and Char Hazari, Farid Kot, all great musicians.
Mm-hmm.
They've come here, recorded their songs and albums. I'm missing all that because all the studio was all the time busy with different kinds of musicians, and we were making songs, their songs, our songs. We were producing that interaction and learn. But still, we got the opportunity, and hopefully, we can start now. The
Time.
distance
It's
is
just
required.
time.
Like,
It's going to just take few more months. The vaccine will be out and everything will be fine. And we can
yeah,
still
let's
go
let's
on and
hope it together. See,
yeah, yeah,
what,
say something.
I believe that जैसे वो डायलॉग थोड़ा फिल्मी है, बट इट इज वेरी
Uh-huh.
करेक्ट, दैट जो भी चीज आप
Uh-huh.
शिद्दत से चाहो ना, आपको मिलती है. राइट, इट्स अ फिल्मी
Uh-huh.
डायलॉग,
Uh-huh.
बट इट
Uh-huh.
इज अ लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. Ask from the
Uh-huh.
universe, give us some shanti, give everyone happiness. Let everyone
Uh-huh.
be peaceful, and
Mhm.
that they let there be joy in everyone's life. That's what all together we unanimously should ask for, wish for. हो जाएगा यार, हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा.
let's be
Yeah, हो
let's
जाएगा.
let's reach out, let's
Mhm.
help people. I've been calling
Mhm.
so many of my friends and really talking to them versus this messaging and WhatsApping. Like, find out, talk to people. They feel
Very
happy
true.
when you do that. There are so
And
many
one more
things
thing
which we
about
can do.
Swapnali is she sings for you also. That's very really nice. Whenever I talk to her, she sings beautifully. I mean, whatever your mood, whatever your thought in your mind, everything vanishes when you talk to her, when you listen to her. And that's how Sonali is, and that's the reason I'm having her in the show today, to spread the positivity, because everybody are demotivated that what will happen. We are musicians,
Yeah,
we don't have
yeah.
concerts, we don't have live, we don't know what's going to happen. But yeah, see, look at her, and she's spreading positivity. And what do you have to say, Swapnali, regarding the future of musicians or singers, if tell to a newcomer, if somebody is a newcomer, what kind of a thought process should he have now after this pandemic?
Oh, right now, if somebody is a newcomer, this is the best time to go into practice and go into riyaz and, go because now you don't have anything else and you don't have to go out, you don't have to travel, nothing. So just spend more time in your practice. It's like, everybody wants very results very quickly, but nobody is
Yeah.
willing to do any hard work. How do you
Mhm.
fill that gap? How can somebody, everyone who is at the top has
Mhm.
really worked hard for it. It has not come
Very
easily to
true.
them. We have to
Very true.
understand this.
Very true.
They have
Very true.
been at it for years and years and years. I will tell you, Javed Akhtar Sahab told me once, okay, I was working with him
Mhm.
on Indian Idol. Okay,
Mhm.
so we were
Mhm.
discussing and I was telling him that आपने वो देखा है ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए and गाने कैसे बने ये वो तो उन्होंने कहा
Mhm.
था कि जो राइटर है एज अ राइटर उसका भी
Mhm.
रियाज होता है मतलब मैं आज भी रोज
Okay.
लिखता हूँ मैं रोज
Mhm.
लिखता हूँ इसीलिए मैं क्विकली गाने लिख सकता हूँ मैं किसी भी सिचुएशन
Oh.
में हूँ मुझे गाने लिखने आएंगे देयर इज अ रियाज देयर इज अ प्रैक्टिस Sonu Nigam, my one
Mhm.
of my dear friends, bestest friends, he manages him. Now Sonu
Mhm.
is somebody who does his riyaz every day, even today, despite being a legend. There is 4 hours of riyaz he is doing even today. Why don't we
Wow.
see all this? You
Very
just
true.
want
Very
to
true.
reach at
Absolutely.
the top. You just want to
Mhm.
reach at the top, but you don't want to do any hard work. How can it be possible? It is
Very true.
possible if
Absolutely.
you are born with some amazing, destiny and you're at the right place, right? But you will not remain there if you don't have substantial talent. You will not
Very
remain
true.
there. You
Very
will be
true.
a one night or a one night star and you will fade out. But all those
Absolutely.
people who have stood the test of time, see
Mhm.
Gulzar Sahab, one of the person who is extreme to me is 45 years of creative writing without compromising
Mhm.
on the quality of writing. He
Mhm.
adapted himself to the newer generation. He is writing Bidi Jalaile Jigar Se Piya. Jigar Ma Badi Aag
हाँ.
Hai. Or,
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
he reinvented, he revolutionized, and 45 years of only excellent best work. There is no
Very
compromise on
true.
quality. Mr. Bachchan, imagine his age, and he is learning, he is writing every day, he is
Hmm.
posting every day, he is working every day. Oh my God, so many inspirations to look around. The people who are into
Okay.
fitness, like Milind Soman, who is into fitness, they give so much importance to health. Because if your body is
Correct.
fit, if you eat well,
Correct.
then only your
Hmm.
mind is going to be good. So really follow positive people. You are going to learn so much from them. Don't be just
Very
a
nice.
fan. Don't be fan. Just look out for the qualities that have made them big and inculcate
Very
that
true.
into you.
Very true. So before I
That's what.
end, one final question I want to ask, Swapnali, what do you
Okay.
do every day to keep your voice, you know, soft, happy, and free?
Okay.
What do you eat?
Okay.
What do you drink?
Yes, I must. That's something I'm going to charge for because I'm going to do a separate diet for singers. But I can generic level, I'm going to tell you.
Uh,
Uh, Thankfully, I'm a nutritionist. Okay, right from my childhood, my mother inculcated certain very important things like eating on time and eating right
mhm,
on at the
mhm,
regular
mhm,
interval.
mhm,
So that
mhm, mhm,
practice, my education also helped me. Being a nutritionist, you are always then eating well, choosing well. Okay.
mhm,
Then 5 to 6 years back, I got into yoga and Ayurveda. So Ayurveda helped me to further filter my food choices. Like there were some food items which were healthy but
mhm.
not suitable for my prakriti or my body type. Okay.
Correct.
So
Okay.
Through Ayurveda, I also further refined my eating habits. that something which
Mm-hmm.
is good for me not necessarily be good for the other body type. So even if
Correct,
it is
very true.
healthy, it's like
Mm-hmm.
lactose intolerance. Now, paneer or doodh or whatever, for some people it is healthy, for some people you can't digest it.
It's not. Correct, correct. Agreed, agreed,
So
agreed.
I learned, I learned over the years and add to my nutritional knowledge that how,
Mm-hmm.
along with yoga, so 95% of my day to day living is absolutely disciplined. I wake up on time.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I sleep on
Mm-hmm.
time. I'm saying sorry because even during this quarantine time, we have not
Uh-huh.
made pizza, pasta, and all those things. There
Uh-huh.
is no
Uh-huh.
refined flour in the house or breads and sweet things, sugary things. We eat in moderation. So I believe that there has to be a perfect balance of what you eat, what you think, how you balance out various elements of your life. So eat well, think well, speak positive,
Mm-hmm.
listen to positive people. So
Mm-hmm.
everything you are doing to keep
Mm-hmm.
yourself healthy, physically healthy and without discipline, it's not possible. So I am not a gym person. I like to dance. Okay, I go for my walking, and music keeps
Mm-hmm.
me fit because I'm always dancing. That is
Dancing,
my
very
form of
true.
exercise. I like nature. I like being in nature. So either I'm
Mm-hmm.
walking or jogging or cycling in the park, I'm
Mm-hmm.
dancing inside.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how you keep yourself fit. And uh, I have chosen to be fit. It is a choice. It's a personal choice to remain fit, to remain healthy. It is important. I
Very
find
nice,
it important.
very
And
nice.
not
So
not
more.
not thin. Not thin. You don't have to be thin. You have to be healthy.
Huh.
I'm not body
But
obsessed.
you're
I'm not
thin.
body
But
obsessed.
you're thin.
Okay. I've always been like this. Okay. I've always been 47, 48 kgs. I can't help it now. I've always been like
Hmm.
this. But I've eaten
Uh,
well. I'm now 43-year-old, but I continue to do so because it has benefited me. I have warm water every day in the morning, along with a pinch of haldi, uh, black pepper,
okay.
lemon juice,
Okay.
ginger juice, and
Okay.
lukewarm water. That is
Okay.
amazing, and you
Okay.
can add little brown sugar or a honey or I add no sugar. I don't like, but you can add little honey. So that's a morning glory drink, and having water liquid at the regular interval. I have two
Mm-hmm.
solid meals, 11:30 and 7:30. These are the two meal times. And beach mein bhook lagi to fruits and nimbu pani and different types of fruits, maybe sometimes salads. But I like to keep it very very basic and what is available in season. So as per season, I change my diet. So you should have certain foods during winter. You should have certain foods. So they keep
Mm-hmm.
you.
Mm-hmm.
It's like you are keeping yourself in aligned with nature. If you do
Okay.
that,
Okay. Very true. Very true.
then you will remain more or less, you will remain healthy.
Healthy. Very true. Fantastic. She'll give more tips. She's a nutritionist and she's going to give more tips. When you approach her personally, I will link below this live about her. And if you want to do any online courses on, on her music academy, you can
Yeah,
approach her. Also, I'm going to
like
link
my
her.
my yeah, my singing course for all the women like 25 to 50, the music singing course, sing like a pro, is coming in few days, so that was not uploaded. But somebody who wants to learn guitar right from the beginning, then that course is there. And any production work like recording, mixing, mastering, all kind of technical music education, if you want, then you can log on to High Music Academy. So HIGH musicacademy.com. That's it.
Yeah, I'll
You
also
share
link
the
it
link,
down.
Jyoti.
Yeah, I'll share the link down after this live. So anybody wants to just go and just check what kind of technical courses you can do and other things. And also very soon her wish of training 10,000 women to
Yes,
sing
yes.
song.
Yes,
That's
so
going to be,
string
and
their
I'm going
heart.
to 10,000
Yes,
women.
I am going to do
Pardon?
that because I really, so many women approached me and they genuinely wanted to learn. And I thought I've been teaching online for
Huh?
25 women to be precise. So that
Mm-hmm.
has given me a
Mm-hmm.
clarity on what exactly they're looking for. And I have to make it very
Okay.
simple and entertaining for them. See, basically,
Very
I
true.
don't want to
Very.
scare them with all classical knowledge that they will find it
Mm-hmm.
very intimidating. I don't have to do that. I
Yeah. Yeah.
have to give them
Mm-hmm.
same classical concepts in a very simple
Mm-hmm.
and entertaining way so that their
Entertaining way.
education
Very.
process becomes joyful. I don't want to make them run away from music. I want to make them stay
Hmm.
in music. So once they stay, then slowly they will learn classical. They'll get into it. But first learn,
Very good.
to sing that one song, two songs for your happiness. Do that for yourself.
Superb.
And I want
Superb.
to do that for
Superb.
all women
All women.
because
She's
women
she's
power.
yeah. She's
Yes,
she's talking
I
about the
believe.
women power and everything. So
Yeah, yeah,
she believes in women power also. So she's going to teach for 10,000
totally.
women. That's going to come very soon. So let's wish her all the best. Thank you, Sapna, for joining in this show and spreading in
Thank you.
so much of
Thank you so
positivity
much.
and so much of wonderful songs you sang for us. It was superb. Thank you so much.
Arey, thank you. Yeah. Thank you for inviting. And I don't know who all are watching because right now I'm in a different
Yeah, you can't see that. You
TV
after the
screen
show, you
frame.
can see all the
Yeah,
comments and please answer for all the
but
people. They'll be
yeah,
very
yeah,
happy.
yeah, yeah, yeah. But thank you
Yeah,
for
yeah.
joining. Taking out time of your regular routine work and giving it to us. It really means a lot to me. Thank you. Thank you.
Right. Thank you. Thank you, Sapnali. Thank you for joining. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.